Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be really short, sweet, and simple. We're going to do an eyebrow tutorial, but the catch is I'm going to do a voiceover instead of talking you through it directly to the camera. Right now, my eyebrows are bald. I look a little dry. No eye makeup, no nothing. All I have is lip gloss on, but enough talking, let's get started. By the way, this is a no concealer look. I'm going to take these tweezers, and then I'm also going to take this eyebrow pencil and make sure it has a spoolie at the end. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by plucking my eyebrows. This step is crucial to when I do want to do my eyebrows, just because there won't be any little hairs everywhere. So this stuff hurt. This still hurt. It really does. I hate doing it, but I need to. I brush my eyebrows all the way up in the beginning, just to make sure that the pencil can glide on smoothly. So that's what I'm doing right now, is brushing these mugs up. Then we're going to start drawing on. So we're going to start drawing a line, basically following the natural line of my eyebrows. And I'm doing it lightly because I don't want it to be extra dark. So we're just going to slightly draw it on. And then I'm going to start filling it in a little bit. After I see that I like my line, I'm just going to start filling like little spots in that I see. And I'm going to go upwards and over. I'm going to say that a few times in this video, upwards and over. But we're going to start drawing the line that goes on top of the eyebrow and starting from the middle. Again, don't draw it too dark. Just kind of like glide it on and follow your natural eyebrow shape. And then we're going to start shading it in. Not too dark, and then basically filling in the whole eyebrow. As you can see, it's kind of self-explanatory, but light strokes, never down, never down, only up and over. That's my rule, up and over. So we're going to start going up and over and just filling it in the beginning. This in the beginning part, you really want to go upwards. That's what I'm going to do, is just kind of create stroke-like hairs in the beginning. And then the rest is self-explanatory. I'm just going to fill in the rest of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take a spoolie and I'm going to just kind of brush through it. And when you do this, you're going to see spots that you missed. And sometimes the spoolie will actually take off some product. So while you're brushing it, be gentle and don't be surprised if you see some type of bald spot like that one right there. So what I'm going to do is fill that in a little more. Until my liking. And then I'm going to go through the spoolie again. And again, brush upwards. That's like the key, to brush upwards. So then I'm going to do my other eyebrow, and I'm going to actually speed it up, so I'll let you guys enjoy this. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. mascara. This is my final step, well, one of my final steps. And I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows with this mascara. And the reason I do it is because it actually like brings volume to my eyebrows. And it kind of makes them a little darker. So then I go in with my spoolie and I kind of brush that product in it. And it acts like as a setter. Especially if you don't have a setter, it acts like a setter. And I kind of like it, so then I check and see how they are, and they look good to me. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.